Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Tasty Food for You. I have a special video lined up for you because it's not about a vegetable, it's about a dish. We will be talking about an exemplary and exotic dish all the way from Thailand. That's right, folks. Today's video will be about the Thai green curry. The Thai green curry is one of my favorite dishes of all time. My mouth waters just thinking about the delightful aroma and vibrant flavors. First, let's look at the history of the Thai green curry. The Thai green curry is a recent introduction to the Thai recipe books. Some Thai recipe books are over 300 years old, but the first mention of the Thai green curry dates back to 1926. Still almost 100 years old, though. Over the years, the Thai green curry has reached all over the world and become a fan favorite in countries like America and the UK. If you want to know how to cook the perfect Thai green curry, then keep watching until the end. Now, before I tell you about the Thai green curry, here is a fun fact. Did you know that the use of chilies, dried ground cumin, and ground coriander in green curries, as well as many other Thai dishes, hints at the fact that a lot of Thai delicacies derive inspiration from Indian cuisines. Chilies first appeared in Thailand in the late 1600s via Indian trade routes. So on that note, do you love Thai green curry as much as I do? Let me know in the comments below. Benefits. A lot of you might not know this, but a lot of healthy ingredients go into a Thai green curry, which means it can potentially be a very healthy dish to eat. When cooked with chicken, the green curry provides essential proteins and high levels of daily intake of iron. Protein and iron help to preserve many vital functions in the body, including general energy and focus, and the immune system. Vitamin A is also present in Thai green curry, which slows the growth of many eye conditions and diseases, including muscular degeneration. Isn't that fascinating? The final health benefit I'm going to tell you about comes from one of the main ingredients of Thai green curry, which is garlic. No Thai green curry is complete without a hint of garlic. Garlic, besides driving vampires away, just kidding, is known to be a detoxifying agent and is powerful against colds, congestion, and cough. Before heading into the recipe, don't forget to watch the full video for the pro tip at the end to take your Thai green curry to the next level. Recipes. Today, I'll show you the perfect recipe for Thai green curry. There are 2 parts to the recipe. Ready for the recipe? Here it is. Recipe. Part 1. First, you need to prepare a Thai green curry paste. You'll need 5 stalks lemongrass, 3 green chilies, fresh green Thai bird chilies, stemmed and chopped. 1/4 cup coriander leaves, chopped. 3 sprigs basil leaves. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, whole roasted. 1 teaspoon whole black peppercorns. 1 onion, roughly chopped. 1/4 cup spring onion, bulb and greens, roughly chopped. 3 cloves garlic. 1 inch ginger. And salt to taste. Step 1. Prepare the lemongrass. First, trim away and discard any root section below the bulb base. Now remove the dried part of the root until you reach a stage where the root cuts easily and is tender. Don't use the leaf part of the lemongrass for the curry paste. Step 2. Add the separated lemongrass into a blender with some water and grind into a smooth paste. Step 3. After a few seconds of grinding, open the blender and stir to combine the rest of the ingredients that are required to make the paste. Green chilies, coriander leaves, basil leaves, coriander seeds, peppercorns, onions, spring onions, garlic, ginger, and salt. Your Thai curry paste is ready. Step 4. Transfer the Thai curry paste and store it in a glass jar. You only need to use 3 tablespoons of the paste for a single recipe of Thai curry, so with this paste, you will be able to make Thai curry at least 3 times over. Recipe Part 2. Now, in Part 2 of the recipe, let's make the Thai green curry. You'll need 400 ml coconut milk, unsweetened, 3 tablespoons Thai green curry paste, 1 cup broccoli, florets, 1 carrot, sliced, 1 red, yellow, or green bell pepper, capsicum, diced, 1 cup water or vegetable stock, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, demerara sugar, 1 sprig basil leaves or kaffir lime leaves, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon sunflower oil. Step 1. Heat a teaspoon of oil in a heavy wok. Add in the vegetables like carrots, broccoli, and bell peppers. Add in some salt and stir-fry the vegetables on high heat until lightly tender. Once tender, turn off the heat and keep aside. Step 2. Add a teaspoon of oil into the hot wok. Next, add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of the Thai curry paste and saute for a few seconds in the oil. Step 3. Next, add in a cup of water and stir to combine into the curry. Next, we will add in a tablespoon of brown sugar and finally 400 ml of the coconut milk. Step 4. Stir to combine all the ingredients. Once combined, add in the salt, stir, and allow the mixture to thicken a little and come to a boil. Once the mixture comes to a boil, add in some torn basil leaves and the stir-fried vegetables. Stir in the mixture, give it a light boil, and the Thai curry is ready to be served. So, there you have it, folks. The best recipe for Thai green curry. You can make this dish with variations too, by adding chicken and other meats. Now for the pro tip, as always. If you want your Thai green curry to turn out delicious, always remember to use only full-fat coconut milk. Well, that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and let me know in the comments below if you're going to try the Thai green curry recipe. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like the video, and share it with your friends. For more such videos, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, thanks for watching.